Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to place for the best product reviews and honest opinions. Today, we're looking at the Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine, often hailed as the best mini sewing machine handheld on the market. Whether you're a beginner or someone who needs a portable and practical solution for small sewing projects, this machine is an ideal choice. It's perfect for household repairs, travel sewing, or even crafting projects. Let's take a closer look at its features. The Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine is compact yet versatile. With its sleek design, this machine fits comfortably on your work surface, making it easy to use even in small spaces. Its dual-speed functionality allows you to choose between a slower or faster sewing pace, giving you greater control and flexibility over your projects. Whether you're stitching delicate fabrics or tackling a bigger piece, the machine adapts to your needs. One of the standout features of this mini sewing machine is its dual power source. It supports both AC/DC power supply as well as battery operation, making it incredibly convenient for sewing anywhere, even when you're on the go. You can power it with a simple plug or take advantage of the battery-powered mode for maximum portability. This is a perfect solution for people who want a sewing machine that can easily move with them. The machine also comes with an extension table, which helps provide extra stability, especially when you're working on larger projects. This extension is a fantastic addition that allows you to create larger and more complex items like quilts, home decor, or simple clothing modifications. Plus, the built-in light ensures you can work even in dim environments, offering a clear view of your fabric as you sew. Designed with beginners in mind, the Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine has a straightforward threading system. It comes pre-threaded with a small piece of fabric, so you can get started right out of the box. It's also incredibly user-friendly, with a simple button or foot pedal to start sewing. You won't need to worry about complicated features that can overwhelm a beginner. Included with the machine is a practical sewing kit that features 32 bobbins, 5 needles, scissors, a seam ripper, a thimble, and even a tape measure. Everything you need to get started is right at your fingertips, making it easy to dive into your sewing projects without any additional purchases. The storage bag also adds to its portability, keeping everything neatly organized in one place. While the Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine offers basic functionality with just one stitch type, it still meets the everyday sewing needs of most users. Whether you're hemming clothes, mending a tear, or creating a simple craft, this machine has you covered. The lack of complicated settings means you can focus on your sewing without worrying about intricate adjustments. For a machine of its size and price, the Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine offers incredible value. It's lightweight, easy to use, and designed for convenience. So, if you're in need of a portable, reliable, and user-friendly sewing machine, this one might be exactly what you're looking for. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking for a lightweight option for everyday tasks, the Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine is a fantastic choice. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.